Today, in Math for Math, and Half for Math, of course, we are going to be converting base 10 to base 2 and base 2 to base 10. Okay, so when we're converting them, there are all the powers of 2, not just up to 32. And when we're converting base 2 to base 10, we see. So this is 101. So I'll put it in 1 like that and fill in the zeros here. You don't have to do that. So then we look, and there's 1 4. And 1 2 0 2's 1 1. So 1 4 and 1 1 will equal 5. Just telling you that they can only be in base 2's. There are only zeros and ones. They can't be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or anything like that. Just zeros and ones. So it's 5.
And for number 2, it says base 2 1010. So you put 1010, which is 1010 as you can see it. So how you would do 1010 is 8. So this is basically, so there's 2 zeros here, and that's 0 32's. So 0 plus, and 0 16's plus 0, and then 1 8, so plus 8, 0 4's, so plus 0, 0 2's, and 1 2, so plus 2, and 0 1, so plus 0. 0 plus 0, so we don't need this, and we don't need this, and we don't need this. So it's basically just 8 plus 2, which is 10. So 1010 converted into base 10 is 10.
Now we are going to be converting 10,110 from base 2 into base 10. So you write 10,110. So 116, 1 4, 1 2, 0 ones. And we can fill in some zeros, but you don't have to. So 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. So the base 10 version of 10,110 would be 22.
And back to this, and converting base 10 to base 2 is a little like partial products. So when you can, it's like partial products, because look, imagine in doing 50 right here, and you're seeing how much 64s, 32s, 16s, 8s, 4s, 2s, and 1s can go into 50. Now you can only use 1 for each, and you can't put any 2s or 3s or 4s or 5s or 6s. Or any more than that. You can only put 1s and 0s. It's just like when base 10, 10, less than 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and less than 2 is 1 and 0. So let's get started. 32, I'm going to 50, 64 can't. So you put 1 32 here and 1 and 0, 64 is here. 50 minus 32 is 18. Now we can do 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. So we put 116 here. 8 can't go into 2. 4 can't go into 2. So we made decimal points, which wasn't supposed to be there. And 4 can't go into 2. So we put this here and this here. But 2 can go into 2. So 2 minus 2 equals 0. So we put a 1 here. And 1 can't go into 0, so we just put a 1 in the 0 slot. So 50 in base 10 converted into base 2 is 100. That is 100,000. Is 110,010. 110010.
So now we are going to be converting 83 from base 10 into something in base 2. 64 can go to 83. So let's do 83 minus 64. 19. So we go 164. 32 can't go to 19. 16 can't. So we would do 19 minus 16, which is 3. Now, 8 cannot go into 3. 4 cannot go into 3. 2 can go into 3. So we do 3 minus 2, which is 1. Now 1 can go into 1. So we do 1 minus 1, which leaves us with 0, so no more. So, in the end, we get 1,010,011. 1,010,011.
And these two are a little short, so I decided to do them both. And here we go. Base 10, 9. 9. That's a little small compared to what we've done, except for this one. But now we have to figure it out. So now we have to do 9 minus 8, because 8 can go into 9, which is 1. And now we just have 1 left. So we write this down, 1,000. And now 4 can't go into 1, 2 can't go into 1, so we are left with a 1. And 1 can't go into 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it'd be 1,001. And now 31 is going to have to be quick thinking because of this and this. So 31, 16 can't go into 31. Now this one's a little silly, but it teaches you a very important strategy and what you'll do. So 31 can go into 16 and 32 can't, barely. So 31 minus 16 is 15. So now we have 15 left. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. And now we're going to bring it to another thing. So 7 minus... Oh, sorry, we've got to keep track of this. So 10,000. And then another one, right? No comma. And so 7 minus 4 is 3. So we put a 1 here. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So we put another 1. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So we put another 1. Whenever a number is right before a place value, it's 1s in all the place values except the number 1 more than it.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Martha Moth and
Happy Mom! And also don't forget to subscribe to Amy Rubin.